Have you found a big one yet? Don, find a big one.
Oh, you got one.
Oh, you did? Where was it?
Yours?
It was under the kit. I was just gonna help him.
Was it under the lawn chair, Karina? I think so.
Ah, look at that. Kenzie found two.
Here's another one. Yay, Kenzie!
Why should she move?
They're gravitating.
Oh, and you're chewing on it.
Oh, say hi. Say hi.
I see one that nobody got. I see.
You guys looking very good. Here, I'll just like throw these and see if they fall.
Wait, don't throw them, they'll break.
Well, I'm just don't throw them.
Say hi.
That Gus is like as big as her. There's a whole bunch over here. There's a whole bunch right here. How many more does she need, Marge?
Oh.
Yeah.
Marge, how many more does she need? Okay, we have her overflow from Corinna right here.
Okay.
She's like,
Oh, and right there too, yeah. Mom, did she get a big one yet? Oh, okay.
hey, what about that big one with the big, I couldn't see anything.
Look at all these! Whoa!